Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and now let's move on with the date slicer. So I have here 3 visuals for panel chart, stacked column chart, and matrix, and then now we need to analyze our visuals using a date slicer. So I will click on this slicer icon, and then I will drag date and drop under field. And then when I drag date and drop under field, the option that I'm given here in terms of options for date is just between. It is by default. So when I click on this drop down menu, you can see I have the first option chosen as between. So this between option will give us a date scroll of which we can choose. We can scroll from left to right, or rather we can choose in the dates we want to analyze. Okay, and then we also have before we'll now choose the period before a particular date, and now we have 9/3/2018 as date, and then you can also click on this window again, and then it will give us a calendar, and then from the calendar we can change the various dates. So I can choose, can click again on the month, then I have various options for months. I can click on the year option, and then I have various years. Then again I will come and click on the date, and then again we also have after option, and then after option is just the data values after particular date. Like now we have the data values after 9/3/2018, and then you can still click on this date and change the date, take it forward or bring it back. And then we also have a list option. In the list option we can choose list in terms of days, or in terms of months, quarters, or years. When I want it in terms of years or quarters, I will come to this field for date, rather this field for date, yes, and then I will choose here date hierarchy, and now I have years, quarters, months, or days. So when I want here, I can cancel all this. Then I will use yes. But now when I click on this drop down window, now I have the options of drop down between, less than or equal to, or greater than. But when I take back when I bring back the date, now the options here are between, before, after, list, drop down, relative date, and relative time. So let me just use the date hierarchy, and then let me choose here the option for year. And now here you can see we have less than or equal to. So here I can choose less than or equal to. So like now we have 2019, I can drag it back, rather I can just choose it here manually. I can write here 2018. So here you want to analyze data for less than or equal to the period 2018, and then we also have greater than. So here you want data greater than the year 2018, and then let me go back. Let me take you back to date, and then now I'll go to these various options for relative date. So relative date, we choose a relative date for the day to day. So we can choose number of years or a number of months. If I choose one and come and select here, yes, see there is no data, but when I choose 3 years, now we have data. And then this is last. We can also choose next. So the next 3 years from today, we have nothing. We have no data for the next year from today. And then we also have this. So this is just this day today, rather than this year from January 1st 2021 to 12 of December 2021. There's data, so we can choose this year, next year, or previous year. Okay, you can choose this day, the next day, or previous day, or you can also choose quarters or months. And then we also have weeks, days, or rather we have weeks, days, and months. And then now when we go back to this drop-down menu, we also have relative time. And relative time, when you check down here, it's been written no filters applied, because there's no data for today. Even if I choose minutes, there will be nothing. When I choose hours, there will be nothing relative to the previous data as of today. And then when I choose next, still there will be 0. When I choose this, still there will be no data, because we don't have data as from July 2019 to date. So that's how to work with the dates, and I hope you guys understood. So I want us now to meet on the next video, where we'll do the slicer formatting. So thanks a lot for watching, and let's meet again on the next video.